Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Once your gingerbread house pieces are cool and ready to go, you will need a strong glue to hold the pieces together. In my opinion, the best glue to use if you really want to make it stay is hot glue. Hot glue guns work wonders on gingerbread houses.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Instructions on how to make edible glue. Put 1/4 teaspoon of Tylose powder in a small bowl or container. Add 2 tablespoons of warm water and stir with a fork to break up the Tylose lumps the best you can. When it has set, the glue should have a syrupy consistency. If it's too thick, add water, or too thin, add more Tylose powder.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.